Our mission is we are driven to design and manufacture powerful solutions. So we think that being in the distribution part of power is going to be a very important market for society and everything, because the need to distribute electricity all around is going to continue. With the dot-com crash, the telecommunications industry itself experienced what I would term almost like its own Great Depression. So we had built up and staffed up to have continued business as if it was going to continue just like the 90s. But then pretty much everyone decided to not buy anything for a couple of years. And so during that time, we had to cut and cut and cut until it got down to the point where the company was really my father, myself, my wife, and about 3 other employees. And at that time, we decided to move the company from where it had begun up in the Chicagoland area and started the company back up in North Carolina in June of 2003 in Butner. We've been growing ever since then. I think when we moved, we had about 30 people, and now we have 53. We had to go from having many people handling many different roles to only a few people handling many roles. I was actually in charge of manufacturing, sales, shipping, receiving, and I had an assist on the engineering side. And then my wife handled HR and the accounting. My dad handled operations and some other things. Once we would finish with those things, then we would go back and we would make the products. So it gave me in sales a great ability to go and sell the product, because I was intimately aware with the product since I had bought all the components, and half the time I was on the line and soldering it and other things as well. Having that intimate knowledge of all the different aspects of the company helped you identify the different skills that you may need in order to find the people that had those skills, and then get out of their way to let them work and use their expertise, which allowed me then to focus on other areas. As we would add revenue and add cash, we would then invest in more people and capabilities. It's been over 10 years, I think, since I've been working with individuals at the SBTDC. What the SBTDC has been vital in is helping us build networks and leverage those networks to help our company grow.